Today we are unlocking nature's best kept secret for radiant skin and fighting aging. Red foods. Science proves that these ruby gems are packed with antioxidant, vitamins and compounds that boost collagen, shield your skin from damage and keep you glowing. In this episode, we'll uncover how red foods can give you a glowing, youthful complexion, reduce wrinkles, boost collagen production and even slow down the aging process. Stick around, we'll dive deep into the why and how. Why red? The color that fights aging. So what makes red so magical for skin? The red colors in foods come from powerful antioxidant like lycopene. Lycopene alone reduces UV damage by up to 40%. Journal of Nutrition 2022. Anthocyanins, Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry 2018. Anthocyanins and Skin Health. Vitamin C, British Journal of Dermatology 2019. Vitamin C and collagen synthesis. Polyphenols. These compounds do three very important things. Number one, neutralize free radicals which causes skin aging. Number two, protect collagen and elastin, that protein that keep the skin firm and wrinkle free. Number three, reduce inflammation and sun damage. Two major causes of early aging. Now let's look at the top red foods that work like a natural skincare from inside out. Top red foods for glowing skin. Tomatoes, nature's sunscreen. Lycopene king. Cooked tomatoes increase lycopene absorption by 400%. Fights sun spots and boost hydration. Tips: pair with olive oil for maximum nutrient uptake. Strawberries, vitamin C boost. 1 cup equal to 150% daily value of vitamin C. Essential for collagen production and brightening dull skin. Study alert: daily vitamin C intake reduces wrinkles by 11% as mentioned in Nutrition Journal. Red bell peppers, vitamin C 3 times versus oranges plus beta carotene, repairs skin tissue and locks moisture. Receive hummus stub pepper, watermelon hydration plus lycopene. 92% water plus lycopene plus citrulline hydrates skin and improves blood flow for natural flush. Pro tip: blend with mint for skin refreshing smoothies. Red cabbage, anthocyanins powerhouse, reducing inflammation linked to acne and rosacea. Sulforaphane detoxifies skin. Bonus: ferment it with for gut friendly probiotic. Gut skin axis. Cherries, melatonin and skin renewal. Cherries contains melatonin and anthocyanins which improves sleep quality and your skin repairs itself while you sleep. Reduce oxidative stress, brighten dull aging skin. Tips: a small bowl of cherries in the evening can help you sleep better and glow more. Red apples, quercetin for anti-aging. Apples, particularly with red skin, are rich in quercetin and polyphenols. These protects skin cells from UV damage, combat inflammation, helps reduce dark spots and pigmentation. Eat the peel. That's where the antioxidants are concentrated. How red foods fight wrinkles at a cellular level. Red foods increase production of collagen and elastin, decrease matrix metalloproteinase, and enzymes that breaks down skin structure, improves microcirculation so more nutrients reach your skin. Clinical studies have shown that a diet rich in antioxidants and polyphenols improves skin thickness, smoothness, hydration, overall radiance. Collagen versus red foods, which is better? Collagen supplements are great, but if your diet lacks vitamin C, zinc and antioxidant, your body can't use collagen efficiently. Red foods supports natural collagen synthesis, provides antioxidant that protects collagen fibers, are easier on the liver and kidneys than heavy supplementation. So don't skip collagen but combine it with red foods for maximum results. Common mistakes to avoid: not eating the skin of the apple or tomatoes, drinking packed juices, they're high in sugar, low in nutrients, thinking only creams gives glow. Remember, skin glows from inside out. Ignoring sleep, even the best diet won't work if your body doesn't rest. Lifestyle tips for faster results: drink plenty of water, sleep 7 to 8 hours, Limit sugar, fried foods, and dairy if prone to acne. Walk to improve blood circulation. So, how do we make the magic of red a part of our daily routine for maximum skin benefits? It's simple and delicious. Start your day with red. Add strawberries or raspberries to your breakfast, smoothies, oatmeals, or yogurt. Snack smart. Grab a handful of cherries or a slice of watermelon for a midday energy boost. Lunch and dinner power ups. Incorporate red bell peppers into your salads or stir fries. Use tomatoes paste for sauces for pastas or curries. Add pomegranate to your salads for a burst of flavors and antioxidant. Choose it up. Freshly squeezed pomegranate or cranberry juice without adding sugar can be a fantastic way to get your red nutrients. Remember, consistency is a key, just like any other skincare routine. The benefits of these red foods accumulate over time. Think of it as feeding your skin from inside out, providing it with the essential tools it needs to repair, protect, and glow. Beyond the individual's nutrients, the synergistic effect of consuming a variety of red foods means you're getting a broad spectrum of protective compounds. They work better together than alone. This holistic approach to nutrition and supports not only your skin but your overall health and well-being, which ultimately reflects in your complexion. Myths versus facts. Let's bust some common myths. Myth number 1: only expensive creams can give you glowing skin. The fact is, diet plays a huge role. Red foods are nature's best anti-aging secrets. Myth number 2: you need to eat a lot to see results. The fact, even a small regular serving of red foods can make a visible difference. So the next time you at the grocery store, don't just think about what's good for your body. Think about what's good for your skin. Embrace the vibrant types of red foods and vegetables and watch as your complexion thanks you with a new level of radiance, smoothness, and youthful vitality. It's true, a delicious way to achieve the anti-aging glow. Omega-3 fatty acids found in seafoods such as salmon, trout, and shellfish can reduce inflammation and slow the signs of aging through several scientifically supported mechanisms. Omega-3 fatty acids in red seafoods reduces inflammation and aging signs by increasing anti-aging inflammatory molecule production, inhibiting pro-inflammatory pathways, reducing oxidative stress, providing photoprotection, sun support, supporting telomere, and health promoting overall metabolic and cellular health. In summary, red foods are your skin best friends. They're packed with antioxidant, vitamins, and minerals that fight aging, protects from sun damage, and gives you that inviolable glow. Start adding more reds to your plate today. Your skin will thank you. What are your favorite red foods for skin health? Have you noticed a difference in your complexion when you increase your intake of these vibrant ingredients? Share your thoughts and tips in the comments below. We always love hearing from you.